In this problem, they give us that 24 students are divided into 3 groups. There are 4 more students in Group 2 than Group 1, and twice as many students in Group 1 than Group 3. So determine the number of students in Group 2. Now, instead of referring to them by number, because that makes it harder to solve an equation, instead I'm going to refer to Group 2 as B, Group 1 as A, and Group 3 as C. So that means A plus B plus C equals 24. That's the number of students in each group. They tell us that there are 4 more students in Group 2 than Group 1. So that means B equals A? Well, no, because 1 is more. And so the question is, people often confuse this and say, which one do you add 4 to? Well, the question is, which one do you have to add 4 to bring it up to being equal? Well, Group B is bigger, so that means we have to bump Group A up to B's level to make them equal. Then it says there's twice as many students in Group 1 than Group 3. So that means A equals 2C. Now we want to figure out the value of Group 2, value of B. But to solve this equation, what we have to do is we have to first say, all right, well, we can't solve one equation with 3 different variables. We all have to put it in terms of one variable. And that's where these second and third equations come in to help us. We can take out B and replace it with A plus 4. And so we can rewrite this top equation as A plus, and then instead of B, the quantity A plus 4. So now we have the same variable, variable A. So that means that we have to turn C into A. And that's where this third equation helps us. So we can say, well, by solving this equation for C, we do that by saying that C equals 1/2 A, like that. So 1/2 A equals 24. Now we've got one equation, one variable. We can solve this. So 2A plus 4 plus 1/2 A equals 24. If we subtract the 4 over and combine the 2 with 1/2, we get 2.5A equals 20. So then we divide both sides by 2.5, and we get A to equal, let's see, 20 divided by 2.5 is 8. Now 8 is not our answer, because it says we want the number of students in Group 2. But it says there are 4 more students in Group 2 than Group 1. So this is Group 1, so Group 2 is 4 more. So our answer is 12. And we're done.